In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in FireAlpaca. Now to do this, there's a few different ways. Of course, if you want to copy and paste a layer, you simply want to select the layer like this. So go ahead and click on it over here on the right. And then you want to press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. And then whenever you want to paste it, just press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. And there we go. As you can see, the layer has been copied. Now you can then paste it as many times as you want. And of course, use it however you wish. That's the first way to do it. Now, if you're working with images or something similar, you could go to File. I'm going to go and actually open as a new layer, and I'm going to just pick an image I have over here and click on Open. There we go. Now I'm going to select that specific layer and press Control and, or I'm going to press Control and T to actually be able to move it around and stuff like that. And when I do this, I can press Control C and then Control V, and as you can see, it's going to copy that as well. It's going to copy that specific image and that specific layer, okay? So that's the second way to actually copy a specific image if you want to copy an image. So first you have to just select it. The easiest way would be again Control and T, and you can move it around. You can see it's selected, and then from here you can just go and press Control C and paste it however you want and whenever you want. That's essentially the second way. The third way is going to be to just copy or paste a selection. So for this you can use a tool, a selection tool over here on the left. You can use the select tool, the lasso tool, magic wand, whatever. I'm gonna go with the lasso right now, and I'm gonna make a brief selection around this circle. This is quite horrible, but you get the point. And there we go. I have the selection. I can now press Ctrl and C on my keyboard. It's gonna get copied, and if I press Ctrl and V, it's going to copy just that specific portion as a specific layer, as you can see over here. Now we have this layer, which is only that part, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. That's how to copy and paste. Copy is Ctrl C, paste is Ctrl V on your keyboard. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.